Welcome to the future of modern living with the Innox Capsule Home, where luxury seamlessly meets convenience. Imagine a home that is not only smart and portable, but also sustainable. This innovative living solution is designed to cater to your every need, wherever you are. The Innox Capsule Home is a marvel of modern design, offering a fully furnished living space within a sleek unit. It includes a cozy bedroom, a functional hall, a compact pantry, and a stylish modern bathroom. Equipped with a smart home system, it ensures that comfort and technology are always at your fingertips. Its modular design allows for easy customization to suit your lifestyle. Constructed with high-strength steel and premium materials, the Capsule Home is both durable and energy efficient. It offers options for solar power, enabling you to reduce your carbon footprint while enjoying all the comforts of home. This commitment to sustainability ensures that your living space is as environmentally friendly as it is luxurious. Whether you envision it as a beachside retreat, an urban studio, or a resort unit, the Innox Capsule Home adapts to any setting. Its versatility makes it the perfect solution for stylish, adaptable living. Experience luxury living reimagined with the Innox Capsule Home. Discover more about this innovative lifestyle solution by visiting innoxstructuralsystem.com. Your future home awaits, ready to redefine how